College is projected to cost $250,000 plus for a child born today. A 529 plan can cut that bill in half, but most parents either start too late or skip it entirely. Tax-advantaged savings account designed for education expenses. Contributions grow tax-free. Withdrawals for education are tax-free. Can be used for K-12 tuition, college, vocational schools, and more. Most states offer a tax deduction for 529 contributions. Example: Indiana gives 20% credit, up to $1,000 deduction per year. You don't have to use your state's plan. Compare options. New York 529 Direct Plan, low fees, Vanguard funds, available to all states. Utah My 529, excellent investment options, consistently top-rated. Look for low expense ratios, age-based portfolios, flexibility. $200 per month from birth to 18, 6% returns $75,000 plus tax-free. Starting at age 10, $200 per month, $29,000. You lose $46,000 by waiting. Even $50 per month matters. It reduces loans, which compound against them. Change the beneficiary to another family member. No tax penalty. Use it for vocational schools, community college, international study. New 2024 rule. After 15 years, unused funds can roll to a Roth IRA, up to $35,000. Free college savings tracker and family financial planning templates at funbiz.gumroad.com. Start planning now. Download free at the link. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.